Hi guys! So magpapakamam charo tayo for today's video. Meron kasi nag-message sa akin about being plastic. Meron daw kasi siyang mga kasama sa work na plastic or iba yung pakikitungo sa kanya. Yung plastic yung kapag nakaharap, maganda yung sinasabi sa'yo. And then, pag nakatalikod ka na, binabackstab ka or meron silang mga pangit na sinasabi tungkol sa'yo. So, sabi niya, ano daw ba ang maganda gawin tungkol dito? What's my take on this? Sabi niya, people would get two versions of me. Palagi yan. The first one might say, or other people might say that I'm a good, beautiful soul. And others might say that I'm a cold-hearted asshole. So, you have to believe them both. Nasa inyo na yan kung ano yung gusto nyong paniwalaan. And this is my take on it. So, hindi ako plastic. I'm just nice to people who are also nice to me. And I don't hate people for no reasons. It's either I hate the response or your response or their response on a certain circumstances, or I hate the way you treated me or they treated me, how they made me feel. Kasi sabi nga, it's not the words you say, it's how you say it. But I'll make sure na hindi mo na ulit gagawin sa akin yun. I trusted you, kaya ka nagkaroon ng information about me. I trusted you, kaya nagkaroon ka ng access sa buhay ko. But the moment you betrayed me, the moment that you break my trust, I'll not let you get access to my life anymore. So, nandun na ako sa phase na tapos na ako. Dun sa kapag ka pinakitunguhan mo ako ng pangit, still ako pa rin yung mag-a-adjust. And iintindihin kita, unawain kita, or maybe sasabihin ko na, baka mayroon ka lang pinagdadaanan na masama, or meron ka lang problema, kaya mo nagagawa yun, or whatnot. But, you have to also understand na tao lang din ako. Hindi rin ako perfecto. I have my own feelings. Nasasaktan din ako. I'm not perfect. Nagkakamali din ako. Nagkakasala din ako. Pero hindi ako masamang tao. I will not judge you. I will not say ill things to you. Kung hindi naman talaga kita kilala, or hindi naman kita nakasalamuha, or hindi mo ko pinakitunguhan ng ganun. Pero, if nakilala kita at ganun mo ko pinakitunguhan, I might say that some people, or they should have to have a taste of their own medicine. Kasi, the more kanila aabusuhin the more